Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to update your email on the Target app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and change your email on the Target app. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Target app. Next, click on My Target, then click on the gear icon on the top right-hand corner. Afterwards, click on Profile, then where it says your email, click on Edit. Now, this is where you can see your current email address and enter your new email address, and then click on Save. So keep in mind that you will need to verify it for security purposes, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and update your email on the Target app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.